How to get verified on Tinder. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can get verified on Tinder. To get verified on Tinder, you have to make sure that your application is completely up to date and that you have an internet connection. Now then, to begin with the verification process, I'm going to use a web browser. If you're using an application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. So type in tinder.com and log into your Tinder account. Once you're logged into your Tinder account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now here, click the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and basically you can see there is my profile, and right next to it there is this tick mark icon. Just click on it in order to get verified. So to get verified, you have to go through the steps. That is, you need to take a quick video selfie and confirm that you're a person in the photo. So click the continue button, and here you need to go ahead and read the statement and click the next button. After that, you need to agree to terms and condition and click the continue button. Now go and tapping on the continue button, and now you have to. Then you need to access the camera. So for that, click the allow button and take a video selfie of yourself. And now make sure to take a clear picture of yourself and make sure that you have a familiar face on the profile as well as that you're providing right now, and then you'll be able to get verified on Tinder. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.